Changing your primary email on Notion is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your Notion account. Open your web browser and go to the Notion website. Enter your current email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Members. Step 3. Navigate to Email Preferences. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Src to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Change your primary email. In the Email Preferences section, you will see your current primary email. Click on the Change Email button. Enter your new email address and confirm it. Step 5. Verify your new email. After submitting your new email, check your inbox for a verification email from Notion. Click on the verification link in that email to finalize the change. Now you have successfully updated your primary email on Notion. If you encounter any issues, refer to Notion's Help Center for further assistance.